Hello, beautiful people. How are you all doing? Because I'm doing great here. It's still your girl Benny of Real Benny's Kitchen. Today, I won't be cooking in my kitchen. I'm bringing to you Chef Charles. Chef Charles is the one that is going to be cooking today. Chef Charles is going back to school in a few days' time, and he said, "Mommy, please, can I do the cooking today?" And I said, "Why not?" So I'm leaving you with Chef Charles to do his cooking, and I'll see you later.
Hey guys, on today's episode we are going to prepare macaroni pasta, and as you can see here I have the ingredients we are going to be using for today's meal. Over here we have our vegetables, bell peppers, green peas and our carrots. Here we have our blended tomato mix. Here we have our macaroni pasta, our sausage, our spices, onions, garlic and ginger, bouillon cubes, tomato paste, vegetable oil and salt to taste. Join me as we do this. Firstly, we are going to parboil our macaroni pasta. There's already water on the gas, so join me as we do this. Normally, I like to allow the water to boil before I put in my pasta. So as you can see, the water is already boiling, so I'm going to put in the pasta and allow it to boil properly. I'm just stirring it so that to boil evenly. I'm going to cover my pot and give it 5 to 10 minutes to boil properly. So guys, as you can see, it's already boiling. So I'm going to stir and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes before sieving out the water, and we will get cooking. So guys, as you can see, it's already done boiling. I'm about to go and sieve out the water in the sink. After that, we'll start preparing our pasta. Okay guys, we are done sieving out the water for the macaroni and it's over there chilling. So now we are going to cut this hot dog into smaller pieces so we can use them and cook. Okay guys, so now we are going to start preparing the sauce for our spaghetti. As you can see, the pot is hot enough, so I'm going to add our oil and leave it to get hot for at least 1 to 3 minutes. So now we're going to fry our onions, garlic and ginger. I'm using garlic and ginger because that's how I like to cook my own pasta. Then also in this part of the cooking, I like to add curry to my onions and garlic and ginger when it's frying. I learned it somewhere online, so you can also try it too when you're preparing yours. It gives the food one very nice smell. So now we're going to allow the onions to fry for a little bit. As you can see, the onions are already changing color, so now I'm going to add our tomato mix, so our pepper mix. So now I'm also going to add the tomato paste, then we'll leave both of them to fry for a little while. Okay. Then I'm going to stir so it will mix properly and appropriately in the right proportions. I think I might have put a little extra oil. So now we're going to leave it to fry for a few minutes before adding the other ingredients. So now as you can see, the tomato is now red hot, and here I'm going to start adding my spices. So I'm going to add a little crayfish. I use crayfish when cooking my own pasta. I don't know about you guys. You can try that and also let me know in the comment section. So we're going to add our spices. The names of the spices will be left in the description below, so you can check it out there. Adding my bouillon cubes. I'm going to stir evenly. So I'm going to allow it to fry for probably 1 to 2 minutes again, and I will add my pasta. So now I'm going to add a little water so that our stew won't be too thick. Then I'll leave it to boil again. So I'm going to add a little salt and leave it to marinate for some time before adding our pasta. Okay. At this point, I'm going to add our hot dogs so that it can cook for a little while before putting our pasta. So then we'll stir properly. Stir properly. This should stay for like 1 to 2 minutes still. Now cover the pot. Now I'm going to add our pasta. Now I'm going to stir. You stir properly so that the sauce can go around the pasta, as you can see. So after stirring, this is what your pasta should look like after stirring. At this point, you're almost done cooking your pasta, so I would advise you reduce the heat of your gas or stove. So I've reduced the heat of my gas, so now we're going to add the vegetables so that they will be heated up slightly or mildly. Our bell pepper, green peas and carrots. I'm going to stir so they'll spread evenly. See how colorful our pasta is. Very colorful and sumptuous is looking. Wow. Tell me what you think in the comment section. So I'm going to leave this for, let's say, a minute, and I'll put off the gas and we are done. So guys, I'll put off the gas and look how juicy and good looking this pasta is. So please subscribe to our channel, like, share this video to your friends who like pasta or who you want to surprise with pasta, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you.